Hi students, I am going to explain you the important measures of central tendency mean, which is also called as arithmetic mean or AM or average, which is shortly denoted by X bar. Mean, in this video I am going to explain you mean in individual series and mean in discrete series. So, mean in individual series, the formula you already know, x bar is equal to summation x by n, where summation x is nothing but sum of all the observations by number of observations. Here, for example, find the mean to the data. In the data, what is meant by data? Data is nothing but a group of observations. Here, they have been given you the ungrouped values, ungrouped data. Ungrouped data will be having of also called as individual series. So here they have given this data and they are asking you to find out mean. What is the formula for mean? X bar is equals to summation x by n. Summation x means whatever they have been given the observations, you are going to add by number of observations. Number of observations means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why I have written here 7. You are going to get the mean value, where mean is equals to 10.7143. This is the individual series mean. This is important for you for 2 marks. Here, mean in discrete series. What is meant by mean in discrete series? What is meant by discrete series? Discrete series is nothing but whenever we are going to have the data in the form of a grouped value corresponding to its frequencies. If the value of x and frequencies are there, you are going to consider it as a discrete series. So here, in discrete series, the formula for x bar is equals to summation of x by capital N, where n is equals to capital N equals to sum of all the frequencies. See, when we want to compare the individual series and discrete series, we have to know that the individual series is of ungrouped data and here the discrete series is of grouped data. How we can explain that is by seeing this example. See, x is still from 1 to 5 and the frequencies are 2, 4, 3, 6, 5. See, how we can explain that the value of x is 1. The frequency means how many times it has been occurred in the data, that is of 2. They will give you the data still up to here. You are going to find out the mean to the data based on the values of x and f. See, the formula is x bar is equal to summation of x by capital N, where you have to find out the f into x column. So here we have find it out f into x column. That is 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9. Likewise, you are going to find out. So here in the formula we have been used about the summation of x and n. N is nothing but sum of the frequencies and fx is nothing but what? Sum of the fx value. What is the sum of fx value? You are going to write it as in the numerator, that is 68, by what is the value of capital N? Sum of the frequencies, that is 20. So here we have been used x bar is equal to summation of x by capital N, that is 68 by 20. You got the mean value as 3.4. This is the value of mean in discrete series. We can add on the mean in continuous series. What is meant by continuous series? If the data is in class intervals, which is going to have both the lower limit and upper limit. If the values are in between some certain limits, it will be called as continuous series. Even in continuous series also we have so many types. The first type is exclusive series, which I gave you one example here. There should not be having any gap between the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the second class, which will be called as exclusive series. Here I have explained you the problem based on exclusive series. And what is the second type? Inclusive series. What is meant by inclusive means there is a gap between the upper limit of the first class and the lower limit of the second class. And open end series, that is the third type. And the fourth type is less than series, which is also called as below. And what is the fifth one? More than series, which is also called as above series. Today I am going to explain you only exclusive series. Here mean in continuous series formula is mean is equals to summation fx by capital N only. The same formula which we have used in the discrete series. Here capital N is equals to sum of the frequencies, and x value you have to find out. What is meant by x here? Middle values. So we are going to find out the middle values based on the given class intervals. Okay, what is the formula for finding out the middle values? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So here, what is the lower limit? 0. And what is the upper limit? 2. 0 plus 2 by 2. How much more? 1. And here 2 plus 4. 6. 6 by 2. 3. Or else, what is the gap between the classes? Width of the class interval is 2. So, you can find out the first value of middle value. Then add the width of the class interval to get your remaining middle values. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So, this is the way to find out the middle values. Now, you have to find out fx. Why we are finding out one more column of x is here. We don't know the value of x. As in discrete series, they have been given the value of x and f. Here they didn't mention the value of x. That's why this is in the form of class intervals. That's why it is called as a continuous series. So here sum of the fx. The same way you are going to find out f into x. You are going to find out the sum of the fx. And capital N is equal to sum of the frequency. N you have written and summation fx you have written. So x bar is equals to summation fx by capital N, where you got the value of x bar is equals to 5.4. Here I have written one formula, a plus b by 2. What is meant by a plus b by 2? Don't make confusion over there. Here a is nothing but lower limit and b is nothing but upper limit. To find out the middle values, the formula is a plus b by 2. That means lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Thank you.